Welcome to my channel. Natural Cures. Water with lemon for weight loss, according to many, is an affordable and very effective treatment in the stubborn fight against body fat. The healing properties of lemon have already filled many people. The huge vitamin C content in this fruit has a beneficial effect on colds and viral infections. But not everyone knows that citrus fruits are an excellent aid in shaping the shape. It turns out that water with lemon and honey works to lose weight. This is a great start to the day for many of us. Of course, there are many opponents who are convinced of the low effectiveness of this tool. It is worth giving an example that discourages them. Breakfast was served to two groups of participants, from lemon juice to one, and ice cream to the other. At the end of the day, it turned out that participants in Group 1 had felt full for a long time, and those who consumed hearty ice creams were very hungry at lunchtime. Naturally, it follows the conclusion that lemons reduce appetite and cause a feeling of fullness for a long time, which is required by beauty who watch their characters. Pectin, found in the lemon fruit, has a rich, fiber-like structure. This contributes to surrounding stomach walls and, as a result, feels full for a long time. Therefore, water with lemon in the morning is an excellent tool for an excellent personality. But do not overdo it if there is an unhealthy being. Various diseases of the liver, stomach ulcers, kidney problems or increased acidity are contraindications to the regular use of lemon water. You also need to protect tooth enamel from exposure to acid, so it is best to drink water through straw. Well, if you are healthy, then you need to do the following: squeeze a little lemon juice and dilute it with warm water. You can add a teaspoon of honey. Do not add honey to boiling water, this is poison, and drink for your health. No juicer. Then just crush a few teaspoons of lemon in a cup with a teaspoon and fill with warm water in the same way. Lemon for weight loss is not news, not an idea today. In ancient Egypt, they were well aware of the properties of this fruit, as they used it not only for food, but also for cosmetic purposes. Interesting fact, if you add lemon juice to sweet food, the amount of sugar in it will sometimes decrease, which is very useful. Remember to take plenty of clean water with lemon water. So it protects your stomach from exposure to unwanted acid. Yes, and a sufficient amount of fluid that is ingested beneficially will affect detoxification from the body. Using lemon according to all rules, you will soon strengthen your immunity, and establish metabolic processes in the body, which will delight you in the skin. Water with lemon for weight loss is not a single recipe for cooking. Let's give an example of the most simple and delicious. Take real Chinese green tea, make it according to the rules, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a little pink honey and a root of ginger. Drink for your health. You can try and drink, for example, dissolving water with lemon juice, which is incredibly beneficial, or drinking light mint with lemon slices. Just do not add sugar, its excess in the body leads to fat deposition. In summer, you can enjoy a drink of lemon, fresh mint leaves and cucumber. All you need to do is drop a thin lemon slices into a jug with filtered water, dozens of fresh mint leaves and a fresh cucumber sliced. A refreshing, healthy drink is ready. Do not forget that you need to drink it during the day, and every day to prepare yourself a new part. By the way, the water with lemon for an excellent weight loss review, here is one of them. Nelly from Omsk shares her impression: I am a big unemployed, so I love quick and simple recipes. Lemon just saved me. I always have enough in the fridge. I taught my whole family to use it. Whatever power, then dressing with lemon juice, no fish dish or flesh, and there is lemon. I constantly drink lemon water and use it to rinse my face, the result is amazing. I have rejuvenated over the past 6 months, and the skin has skin, the rash has faded. I eat lemon, I resemble a million. Quote. Lemons are known for their unique properties, which make them easier to recover from colds, increase your immunity, and make them more resistant to infection. Recent studies in the field of dietetics have discovered another addition, accelerating the metabolism in the human body. Lemon water for weight loss, with proper nutrition, will help you lose extra weight at home. Lemon juice will be a great addition to any more effective diet. Benefits and harms of water with lemon for weight loss. Lemon dissolved in water can quench your thirst better than any other drink. It provides our body with a large number of vitamins, minerals and vital trace elements. We'll find out how useful lemon water is and why it should be included in the list during weight loss. It will take some time to prepare this drink, it is easy to prepare. Lemon is a low-calorie product, 90% water. This yellow fruit, like any other product, perfectly nourishes your skin from the inside, thanks to the presence of vitamin C and E citric acid, which gives a sour citrus taste, improves digestion and helps lose weight at home. Mineral salts of potassium and phosphorus, which are rich in lemon, are necessary for the cardiovascular system. This fruit, along with garlic, can kill germs and infections that live in many people's body. Lemon contains B vitamins, it speeds up your metabolism and helps defeat cellulite. Water with lemon to lose weight quickly has many contraindications that you should know when using it. If you have a sore throat, do not drink this drink. Citric acid will lead to burns in the throat, after which discomfort may appear in this area. If you have a sensitive stomach or high acidity, you should drink this water carefully. For fragile tooth enamel, drink lemonade with a plastic straw. If the citrus fruit acid gets on your teeth, it will damage its surface during pregnancy. Women should not abuse lemon water, because it contains essential oils that have an aggressive effect on a child's safe pregnancy. If you notice a rash after drinking a lemon, you will have to give it up, as this may be a sign of an allergy. How to drink warm water with lemon juice on an empty stomach. For those who want to get rid of tired pounds, doctors recommend a good habit, to drink warm lemon water for weight loss. This procedure should be done in the morning, before eating, because during sleep all life processes slow down and digestion also sleeps. The food eaten at night remains undigested in the stomach. Only water with a lemon concentration can wash food deposits from the stomach. Drink lemon water as soon as you wake up. It will protect the body from dehydration, and give a strong boost throughout the day. It is right to drink lemonade in small sips, like hot tea, without rushing. It is best to do this with a cocktail tube, so as not to hurt your teeth. Not everyone loves the lemon flavor, so straw will make it easier. How to make a lemon slimming drink. Preparing lemon water for weight loss is easy. For this you need to buy the necessary products. The basis of each recipe is lemon, pure or mineral water, but without gas. The container should be used in full size, a 500 ml cup suitable for liquid to fill the entire stomach. It is necessary to use hot water to drink until all the ingredients are well dissolved. With honey, the pleasant taste of drinking with honey will not only give pleasure, but the body will be filled with vitamins and minerals. During weight loss, you should drink such a drug in the morning before meals and in the evening. Honey and lemon diluted with hot water can replace dinner, because such a drink is very nutritious and well satiated, with a minimum calorie intake. Easy to make lemon juice. Warm to room temperature with 500 ml of pure water. Cut the lemon into 2 parts, and squeeze the juice in half. 2 teaspoons dilute with lemon juice. The resulting honey mixture is added to the water and mixed well. With ginger losing weight, girls know that green tea supplemented by this root can work wonders. Water with lemon and ginger is no less effective for losing weight. Use of this medication is useful after waking up before eating. Thanks to the seasoning, the ginger drink gets well heated and gives strength throughout the day. The order of preparing the healing syrup. Clean water in the amount of 500 ml for a comfortable drinking condition. Mix half a lemon juice with 2 teaspoons of honey. Grind ginger on a vegetable grater to make a teaspoon without a hill. Stir all ingredients and drink them hot. With cinnamon. Cinnamon lowers cholesterol in the blood, keeps insulin natural, prevents excess human blood, strengthens blood vessels, and increases overall vitality. This spice removes unnecessary fluids from the body, which affects weight loss quickly. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you can easily cleanse the liver, kidneys and intestines due to its laxative properties. This spice is added to chamomile tea. Delicious lemonade with the addition of ground cinnamon. To do this, put a teaspoon in a cup of hot lemon water. Powder. In order for the cinnamon to be absorbed well, it is necessary to insist on the resulting liquid for at least half an hour, and it is better to leave it overnight. This drunk treatment should be warm, in small sips, 1 hour before a meal. With cucumber and mint. Lemon drink with cucumber and mint is especially useful to quench thirst in the summer. But it not only contains refreshing properties, but it is also suitable for weight loss. In a jug of pure water, put 1 lemon slices. Peel cucumber from the peel and cut into rings. Thoroughly wash mint leaves under running water. Place cucumbers and grass in a jug. In a bowl with lemon juice, send 1 tablespoon. 2. Natural honey, mix well. After preparing a refreshing drink, it must be pumped for 2 to 5 hours, in order for all ingredients to give their taste, aroma, and healing properties in water. Peppermint, due to the presence of a large amount of menthol, has a bowel cleansing effect, which contributes to a sustainable weight loss. Nutritionists recommend drinking a cold drink. Drink citric acid. Mineral water. Lemon is an expensive fruit for daily use, which many cannot afford. You can replace it with citric acid, which is sold as powder in a nearby store. Don't forget that lemon is an unnatural product, but it is obtained chemically. Be careful with a dose of powder, approximately 1 teaspoon per 500 milliliters of water. The aftertaste should be unobtrusive, barely sour. Although the acid is not normal, it has similar properties to lemon juice. Diluted in mineral water, due to its acidic taste, improves digestion and helps cleanse the intestine of toxins. As a result, weight loss occurs immediately. For sweetness, add honey to the drink as desired. Drink lemon should not be more than once a day, before breakfast. Please subscribe and like and commenter.